This is a short demo of my program called Easy Photo Organizer, which can help you to get really fast and efficient at the single task of going through thousands of photos, deciding which ones to keep and which ones to delete. This is just a short demo, so here are the sample photos that I want to organize. I've already started the program and selected this folder, so here you can see the program has created two subfolders for me. Now let's switch to the program. And it now displays the first photo for me. I like this photo of my son, so I decided to save it by pressing the save button down here. Or to become even faster, use its designated shortcut key, the right arrow key. What happened now was that the program moved the file into the subfolder called the save folder. And as you see, it displays the last saved photo as a thumbnail in the down right corner. The main image now shows the next photo in line for evaluation, which happens to be a similar photo. I really don't like having lots and lots of multiple photos of the same thing, even if they're good. So I'm going to use the feature which I call the compare mode. To enter compare mode, simply just click on the last saved image thumbnail down here. Or even better, use its shortcut key, which happens to be C. Now in compare mode, I have the last saved photo to the right and the new photo to the left. And now it's just a matter of deciding which one to keep by either clicking on it or use the arrow keys left or right. In this case, I think the left photo is the best, so I'm going to press the left image or the left arrow key. What happened now was that the left photo got moved to the save folder and the right one was moved to the delete folder. And now we see a third photo of a similar nature. This is really common for me. I take lots of photos of the same thing to make sure I get at least one good one. Anyway, now it's just a matter of repeating the compare mode process to decide if it's an even better photo than the winner of last comparison. So I press C again. And this time I'm going to say the right one is the better one. So I press the right arrow key. Okay, here's a photo I like, so I press right arrow. This one is not so good, press left. I like this one, right. A similar one, I press C. Left one is better, press left. And this is good, right. And now we're done in this folder. You can always undo as many decisions as you want by pressing this button down here. It's grayed out now. Or Control Z. Let's open the working directory. This button down here. And as expected, it now only contains the two organized folders. That's basically it. Really easy to learn, and it actually makes this tedious task a lot of fun. The program has a lot of features that you might want to check out, like the cropping feature, raw conversion, or to use it in copy mode, which is a way of selecting out photos for a specific project without touching the original files. Hover the mouse over the controls in the program to get a tooltip showing you what it does. If you want to install the program, you'll find it on Microsoft Store, and it has a 15-day free trial, which includes all the functionality. I'll show you. So please try it out before you decide if it's worth buying or not. I'll post a link to the store in the text below, or you can just open the store and search for Easy Photo Organizer like this.